Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how you can small or bigger any text or the page in your Microsoft Edge browser. Microsoft Edge browser is faster than Internet Explorer. Its old version, the new version is Microsoft Edge, and it's good and very fast. So I am now going to show you how you can smaller or bigger any text in your Microsoft Edge. You need to go this three dot, and then here you can say new tab, new window, and then new in private window. This is the in private window. It will not store any data. Okay, and then you can see this zoom. If you zoom out or in, like you want to smaller or bigger, then click on this three dot and then go to zoom option, then click on this plus, and it will zoom the text, and you can see this already how much you want to zoom in. So it's almost 200%. If you want to zoom out, then click on this three dot and then click on this minus icon. It will zoom out. I come back to 100%, so it's normal now. So this is how you can zoom in or zoom out, smaller or bigger any text, any page in your Microsoft Edge browser. Thank you for watching my video. I hope this video will help you. From now you can also do it if you want to zoom in or out in your Microsoft Edge browser. If you need any other tutorial, you can comment in this comment section, and I will try to make the tutorial on this topic if it possible. Thank you again for watching my video. I wish you best of luck. Thank you. Bye.